It's draw time! We're gonna draw a colourful cake today, so grab your snacks, sit back, and let's have some fun. Haha, let's go! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today, we're going to draw something super sweet and yummy. A big, colourful cake. Let's start with one candle. Whoa, look, the flame is dancing. Next, let's add a ribbon. This will make our cake look extra special. Maybe it's a birthday cake for someone's big day. Let's draw the icing with cute curve like this. Let's give her a cute little face. Eye. Mouth. And eye again. Ah, she looks so happy. Then let's draw the bottom layer of the cake. This is the big and strong one, because he can hold the top layer. He's like the superhero of the cake, holding everyone up.
Whoa!
And finally, the plate. We finished our line art. Look at that. Our cake is all drawn and ready to colour. But before that, let's make the lines thicker. This helps our cake pop out and look amazing. Let's trace around carefully.
Whoa!
Nice and smooth. Let's add some sprinkles so that our cake looks so delicious. Whoa, look at our cake. They're so colourful, like a rainbow in the sky. Now it's colour time. This is where the magic happens. Let's colour the cake with our favourite colours. Let's start with the flame. But careful, it's hot. Ha ha ha, just kidding. I'm using red, orange and yellow, just like a real candle flame. If I had this cake, I'd need a huge spoon to eat it. Colour red.
Whoa!
Careful, don't colour outside the lines. Colour yellow. Do you think this cake is for someone's birthday? Should we sing happy birthday later?
Whoa!
Colour green.
Whoa!
Who's watching with you right now? Maybe your mum, dad, friends, or your pet.
Whoa!
Colour blue. Red, yellow, green and blue. Ooh, it looks like the candle went to a colour party.
Whoa!
I wonder which colour is the candle's favourite. What's your favourite colour, friends? Mine is colour red. Time to colour the ribbon. It's like the cake's fancy accessory. Let's make it green and yellow.
Whoa!
Let's make this cake super colourful, like a rainbow birthday cake. How many cakes can you eat in one day? I think I'd explode if I eat 3.
Whoa!
Do you like the ribbon on our cake's head? I think she loves it too. She looks so proud.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S.
Colour pink. Now let's colour the icing on the first layer. I'm using pink. It looks so yummy, like strawberry frosting.
Whoa!
Our cake looks super happy with this colour. If the candle had a name, what would you call it? Maybe Rainbow Ricky or Colourful Coco?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Our cake looks like it's wearing a big smile. Maybe it's happy we're coloring it.
Wow!
Let's color the sprinkles. Do you love having sprinkles on your cake?
Wow!
I do. The more sprinkles, the happier the cake looks.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
This cake looks so yummy. But remember, we only color snow-eating crayons. Ha 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 ha! Are you having fun with our drawing today, my little friends?
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Wow!
Would you rather have a tiny cake you can eat in one bite? Or a giant cake you can sleep on?
Wow!
Look at the flame on candle and the cute ribbon. They're dancing. So cute.
Wow!
Color blue. Next, let's color the bottom icing blue.
Wow! Wow!
It's so pretty, like ocean waves under our cake. Pink on top, blue below. What a perfect match.
Wow!
If this cake could talk, what do you think it would say? Maybe, don't forget my sprinkles, haha. I think this cake has a secret. Maybe it's hiding candy inside.
Wow!
I think our cake is saying, thank you for making me so colorful. Time for sprinkles. Let's make them super colorful, like tiny candies having a party on our cake. Our cake looks like it's wearing a big smile. Maybe it's happy we're coloring it.
Wow!
Let's make it nice and colorful, so our cake can shine bright at the party. Do you see how cute it looks? I bet this cake would win Cake of the Year.
Wow!
If our cake could talk, what do you think it would say? Maybe don't eat me!
Wow!
Wow, the colors are blending so nicely. Our cake looks like magic.
Wow!
Color violet. Finally, time to color the plate. Violet makes it look so fancy, like a royal cake plate. Do you think our cake has a best friend? Maybe a cupcake buddy?
Wow!
Do you think our cake is ticklish? Careful when we color. Do you think our cake likes being colorful? I bet she feels fancy. Wow, we're almost done. Our cake looks so happy, it might start dancing. And ta-da! Look at our cake. It's so cute and colorful, just like you. I had so much fun drawing with you today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time, my friends.
Wow!